Heck yeah. So we're out here. We're gonna go find a little lake over here so we can catch a couple fish. What's up, little buddy? Oh, what's up, big buddy? Oh, what's up, big fella? All right, so Jackie's getting out here in the back roads. Yeah, we're gonna hit this little pond and see if we can. What are we gonna wipe off the list?
A carp.
Carp. She's never caught a carp. So most people wouldn't go fishing for carp, but we are. Whoa! Stay in the ruts, Jackie.
I am in the ruts.
Stay in the ruts.
It's the ruts taking me.
Don't let the ruts take you. Yeah. So usually this road's a lot harder to get onto. Oh, we're going sideways. Oh, jeez. All right, it's a little soft today. It's been raining, but hey, we're here and we're in a Jeep, so we should be good. Let's catch fish. Oh, why am I so bad at that fist bump? You got this?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, what is it? Oh, I might need to get out for this.
I think you do.
I think I need to get out for this. Whoa.
Catfish?
Yep.
A decent sized one too.
Nice little bullhead catfish.
Hold on.
From the car.
That was crazy. From the car.
All right. Let's release this guy. Decent one. Let's let him go. Right from the car. All right, so Jackie's on a fish from the driver's seat.
I don't know how to get
Oh. So pop your door. Pop your door.
I can't stop breathing.
I got you. Oh yeah.
No, it's gone.
Oh, did it come off?
Yeah.
I got out of the car for this?
I didn't know.
Got ourselves a little quail. His hand's over there somewhere. What's up, everybody? So it started raining inside summertime, but I decided to put my catch and release spring gear suit on. If you guys want to get a good deal on this, make sure you comment below and I'll give you a huge discount on them. All right, so what do you find over here?
Deer scat.
Yeah.
And deer
So what would you do? Would you set up here? Where would you put your blind?
Over here.
Over here?
Yeah.
Look at that. We got a nice little shady spot here. And just so you see, we got some deer scat here. We're surrounded by water. We got water on this side. Water on this side. So we're at a pinch point. See the path? Goes through here. Path goes here. Intersects. Goes around. And they don't like to go that far because it's a peninsula. So what do you think? This is the best spot, huh?
Yeah.
They're going to sit here and linger. Maybe we'll bait it up.
Sounds good.
So we decided to stop by and see this super friendly swan. Everyone loves him. He's so nice. Let's find out how nice he is. Oh yeah, come here. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh yeah, see, like he's super crippled and old and super friendly. Here he comes.
Crippled and old, but he doesn't seem...
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, come here, buddy. Oh yeah, you just like being pet. Oh, he's so friendly. Oh yeah, you like being pet. Oh yeah, buddy. You just want to kill me, don't you? Don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself. Buddy, come here, buddy. Oh, oh. Come here. Oh, he's so friendly.